more about birds. Ollie, you are our feathered friend. Now, let us learn more about other birds like you. Now, let us learn something about the birds around us. These are the birds we see around us many times. Now, we will learn about some special birds. We do not see them around us. They are found in some other countries or away from the cities and towns. We all know that birds can fly. But do you know that there are some birds that cannot fly great heights even though they have wings? Let us learn about these birds. In some countries, the weather is too cold in winter. There is snow during winter. Some birds fly from these countries to warmer countries. These birds are called migratory birds. After the winter is over, they go back to their own country. These are ostrich and emu. Ostriches are mostly black, grayish brown, or white in color. They have a white tail. Emus are brown and gray in color. Ostriches and emus are found in Australia. Ostrich and emu are very tall and big birds. They do not fly very high but can run very fast on the ground. These birds make a ditch in the ground and lay their eggs. They cover the eggs with the mud. The eggs of an ostrich are very, very large. Emus lay eggs which are dark green in color. They eat small animals like rats, snakes, and insects. Emus are kept for their meat and eggs. These are parakeets. Parakeets are from the parrot family. These look like parrots, but they are much more colorful than parrots. The shape of their beak is also the same. Parakeets are found in South America. Parakeets build their nests at the top of the trees or in the holes of the thick branches of big trees. These birds eat fruits and small insects.